Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome. If you're not familiar, parallel downloading is a feature that maximizes your internet bandwidth, resulting in faster download speeds. This is especially useful if you're experiencing slow downloads or aren't seeing the full potential of your connection. Let's dive in. Start by opening Google Chrome. Note that parallel downloading isn't found in regular settings. It's in the Chrome Flags menu. To access it, type chrome://flags in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Chrome Flags page, use the search bar to look for parallel downloading. You'll see a prompt labeled Enable Parallel Downloading that enhances download speeds across Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and more. To activate it, click the drop-down menu next to the option, select Enable, and then choose Relaunch when prompted. Chrome will restart, and now parallel downloading is enabled for faster downloads. Let us know in the comments if this feature boosted your download speed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.